Okay, you know that it's okay. Okay, you do it that it's okay. Okay, 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 okay. Don't get me started on that. Good, this is the first one. First, I'm not the one who wrote this song. Butterflies, please don't get me started on that. Butterflies, please don't get me started on that. Butterflies in the sky, in the world of the blind. Don't get me supplies for a light one. You know, it is okay, but you're not always in my side. Don't get me started on that. It is not always okay. Bees, butterflies, don't get me started on that. I'm not the one who wrote this song. So yeah, this beat is fire, not gonna lie, cause this is one of my favorite songs. Don't get me started on the way out, play in the way country, playground in the sacred earth, whatever that means. Don't get me started on the bees and butterflies, on the nature. So you're just a baby. No one likes a Drake. Don't get me drunk with all that. So it's a Blake.